Why we should never use diatomaceous earth for the control of bed bugs. There are a lot of videos that push diatomaceous earth, and although yes, it may certainly kill bugs as it's been proven, this $8 product can give you a cascade of problems that are far more costly. Diatomaceous earth kills insects by drying them out once they're covered by it. If you've ever seen the video by Mark Rober where he shows that diatomaceous earth kills 100% of the bed bugs, which I find to be a fascinating video, you'll see just how effective this powder really is. Diatomaceous earth is a powdery substance that's made from tiny fossilized sea creatures called diatoms. These diatoms lived a very long time ago in the ocean. Over time, their remains settled at the bottom of the sea and turned into a kind of soft rock. When we mine diatomaceous earth, we crush it into a fine powder. The powder is made up of very tiny particles, almost like dust. What makes diatomaceous earth special is that it has some really useful properties. First, it's very absorbent, which means it can soak up liquids like a sponge. People use it in things like cat litter and to clean up spills because it can quickly soak up liquids. Second, diatomaceous earth is sometimes used in gardening to help keep pests away from plants. It's like a natural bug repellent. Finally, some people even use diatomaceous earth in their filters for swimming pools because it can now capture tiny particles and keep the water clean. So diatomaceous earth is a powdery substance made from ancient sea creatures, and it has some handy uses like soaking up liquids, keeping bugs away from plants, and cleaning pool water. Use diatomaceous earth at your own risk. People eat diatomaceous earth for health benefits, and that's all fine and dandy, but when you powder your home with this, you're on a whole different level. This is a very fine dust, and this is certain to get into your lung. When that happens, you risk yourself to long-term exposure breathing this in. So if you spread this in your home and it fails, one might be more inclined to use more of the powder. This can be a slippery slope. If you use it at your own risk, but remember, kids are closer to the ground, so they could be more easily exposed. In my opinion, I would not use diatomaceous earth. I want to remind you to always read, understand, and follow the label directions. Now, diatomaceous earth, if it's labeled for bed bugs, you could use it in that way, but I want you to remember one thing that's really important for a do-it-yourselfer. Diatomaceous earth, if you're using it for bed bugs, you're going to want to put more of it at the head of the bed because that's where the CO2 in your body is most prevalent and that's what attracts them. But that's also where your nose is. So remember that if you're putting diatomaceous earth on your bed and you're putting it at the head of the bed where you sleep, remember that you've got great opportunities to inhale the diatomaceous earth. So keep that in mind when you're deciding if this is really a product or if bed bugs are really an insect that you should try to do it yourself. If you want more of this content, hit the subscribe and the like button and watch this next video.